Today we are going to make soya tikka masala. Let's make it. First add soya in a bowl and marinate it with onions, tomatoes, capsicum, curd, rested besa and cumin powder, cashmere chili, and turmeric powder, black pepper, curry masala, garam masala, coriander powder, mustard oil. After that, add all into a pan. Then add soya that we marinated. Mix it. And then we fry it for 5 minutes. Then into another pan add all. Add cumin seed. Add onions. Mix. Add ginger garlic paste. Add turmeric powder and red chili powder. Then coriander powder, garam masala. Mix it. Then add tomato paste and then mix it again. After that, add salt to taste. Add the fried soya from before. Mix. Last but not least, add coriander leaves. Your food is ready. Looks tasty, isn't it?